masar kumanya dansi shoko ngarishike ikoko pressure furirwa tuzvivanzi baita patinasi
So guess what? It's getting hotter almost each and every day. So check tanga man, I want to thank all of you with your support. Muriku like, muriku share, muriku say. Last time tantina Captain Jack Sparrow, tangatina ani the goat, aka Sauro Jackson. But tunizwaka famba bona, my like, my share, my say. But trust me, nasi ndine dingwe shasha, ndine dingwe nyanji, shasha pa hasha, dano say so. But guess what? Today, one man, we're still running the show. We got the thing, we got the vibe. It's us. It's all about us. It's all about we. It's all about Pamabhenji. So Pamabhenji, it's all about my freestyles. It's all about good people. It's all about good vibes. Man, we speak through dance. Love Tisusu. Nasi ndine wana kuigrai man. So these are one of the greatest dancers, freestylers ever to be born. Waizia chirongwa ndichiwo chakumana pano ndi Pamabhenji ndo pano tanga nekuperera shasha kwetire shasha kasawira. So nasi tudaona kidzwa bozi nasi mawani asati amboonekwa. So nasi mawana woyo saka nasi mawani kumdara mukaronde bwe ndo yawe. So today man, today nasi ndine shasha kuno ndina ma boss BD aka ma boss. Then ndina Minister Digo aka the boy and the baba chichi nene pazvinhu zvacho garaza zvinhu zako, don't do shit man. So boys, harutanga ndiana ma boss BD, yeah man, kill man.
London.
Hello, greet everybody for you. Body just shake belly. Motive so fun tell belly. Deliver like I get belly. Them say I dey go sell. Best me to fortuna. I go make you Joe Dada. Say you get the power. Sweetie passy amala ketu. Shinji kagawa. Jesu Christi lobawa. Got them falling yakata. You know I see sabi.
DJ YK Mule
Yeah man. So it's getting hotter. Parama panyipisa. So first round ndindio anzo iti on choice kana kuti mazvake. But guess what? Second round ndinda achibaba ndinda nechimuti, understand? So ndinda play a song then iwo tamba. Saka mbotanga pai then ndima boss BD. Right now Minister Digo tipe stuff.
Reberi boot, boro. Ala reberi boot, reberi boro. I reberi boot, besara baby lie. Money catch you baby lie. Baby lie. If I don't go for the level of the moon, I'll be best again daddy. You reckon to go? You're best in my car. Ala reberi boot, reberi boro. Sister, ala reberi boot.
Easy. Yeah man. So this is my favorite round. Iri ndora ndonakirwa naro boss ndoro no show creativity. So iri tinoti ndori ma sounds aona nongo create a sound mafera nguru ita zvarinoita. This is my favorite part man. I love this one. It shows creativity. Sevanu mane passionate dance. So msadibe mazita ka boys tina my boss BD aka my boss Shasha Pahasha, then tina Minister Digo aka the boy baba. So pipe ya tanga 5th round akatanga ndiwe, second round ndiwe, third round Choreography. Yeah man. So right now ndakutanga. Are you ready? Muri ready anditika? Right, ndakutanga. Rungoita sound ndara bo matamba zandendeze. Zandendeze. Saka ndoita pekutanga tete dzokoro za chese. Makuitamba. Ndo yani. All right, so first sound ndangu kuti ting 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 ting. And 1 2 3 go. Ting 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 ting. Yeah man. Me like that. So tagoya kunoku sound yangu kuti zing tiki tiki tiki. 1 2 3 go zing tiki tiki tiki. Oh yo, yeah man. It's getting older. Ma ready them dara. Alright, ndakuya. It's kuti pam pam tiki tiki pa. And 1 2 3 go pam pam tiki tiki pa. Okay. Yeah man. Atanga ndiani. Do you want? Saka, this is the last sound. Alright, so this is the last sound. This is the final. So, no the cheek up for my way. Alright, about it. Say, 1 2 3 go. Say, yeah man. So that was Pamabhenji. So thank you for your support, family. Till we meet to the next round. Kuvota kwenyu, kulaika kwenyu, comment section. Ndo kuno notice vote number 1 Indian. And don't forget the names. Nasi Tangatina, my boss BD, aka boss of the bosses, and Minister Digo, aka the boy, Baba the Baba, Chi.
Fight up the Nazi. Oh, Birakuva Mugrasi. Oh, Mawako Arimotenga kungem klasi. Pati yakahita visa jasi. Vanhu vari kufara zvakapfurikisa nasi. Kuita kunge Jesu watsika pasi. Tarisa tuzvimoko zvatakapfeka. Ona tunga tukutweka. Vapana vachireva maklaks ndipo kunofoni yangu pane zviri kuleka. Gasi ndakufonera vanhu vachanhongeswa. Dhokota varipa muchaponeswa. Kila chigarawo vatipa vanhu kuti matoireti haikona yekubrokesa. Pati yapisa zvinhu zvakudadisa. Vanhu vari kunakidzwa kumira tarambidzwa. Vabereki vatizwa mudzimba dzakapfigwa. Pressure rabatidzwa vanhu muchapidza. Vantani akabata red wine. Ndipekuva handimwe zedikaini. Pati yedu